Now that completes our discussions on data visualization. Nothing is rocket science in this one. These are all the methods that we already know. A lot of us know bar chart, a lot of us know box plot. We already know pivot table and all that. But here, in a streamlined manner, we are trying to see, if you see in future, if you get continuous variable, maybe you can refer to this document and some other documents. Try to give a meaningful graph. If you see a categorical variable, try to give a meaningful graph. Do not mix them. Do not draw a bar chart for continuous or like that. If you see a categorical, when you're trying to explain the relationship between continuous versus continuous, there are a few points that you need to highlight. When you're trying to explain the relationship between continuous versus categorical, then there are a few points that you need to highlight. Categorical versus categorical, maybe you have to follow some of them, like usual pivot tables or heat maps or something like that. Okay? That is the story of data visualization using Python packages. Any questions on this?